Welcome to Zoomania. Today topic is how to choosing a birdie's cage. Choosing a birdie cage. The cage should be set up before you bring the bird home. Don't make do with a temporary cage while you find the time and money to set up a permanent space. If you are not able to buy a good one, step by, and it is by far the most expensive item you will never buy for this bird. You will just have to wait until you can. This will be your pet permanent home and you need to make it as perfect. What things are required for birdie's cage? Number 1. Pick a cage with enough room. The first feature of the cage that should be considered is the size. Birdies are very active and most of their exercise from flying. The minimum space requirement for one birdie is 18 inch to 18 inch into 18 inch and 30 inches into 18 inches into 18 inch for the two. Birdies required horizontal space to fly. Purchase a cage that is elongated sideways rather than one that substitutes length with height. Tell the cage that narrow until suitable. The more space you provide your birdies, happier they will be. Number 2. Choose a cage that is specifically designed for birdies. A good brand and high quality bird cage that is designed for birdies should be their first choice. While some brands advertise their cage for birds, in general not all birds have the same space or safety requirements. There are many cages for larger birds or the rodents, which may or may not be safe for your birdies. Start with the cages that are specifically for birdies and go from there. Number 3. Refrain from purchasing a round cage. Birdies become stressed in cages that do not provide corner from them to hide. Round cages are often smaller for household convenience but are not suitable. Purchase a rectangular cage instead. Number 4. Look for a cage made of sturdy material. Birdies are capable of chewing certain metals and can utilize their beak to escape. Wire, metal, stainless steel cages. After that extra bit of security, examine the cage to ensure there are no hazards or sharp edges on the wiring of the cage. Avoid cages made of lead zinc, which can be harmful to your bird. Number 5. Ensure that the bars of the cage are appropriately spaced. 12 mm to half inch is an ideal space measurement for the girths of the cage. Anything larger and our birdies will be able to get stuck between the spacing of the bars to escape. Avoid parallel bars where the birdies might be able to slip their foot into a tight gap. The wires of the cage can run vertically or horizontally. Number 6. Purchase a cage with a secure door that locks. Birdies are intelligent and inducive birds that can utilize their beak to open the door for the cage. If it is secure, does that slide up or down? Not a suitable choice, as birdies can easily escape by lifting the door up. Number 7. Place the cage in a suitable location. Place your birdie's cage in a well-ventilated, temperature-controlled room that is out of the direct sunlight. Choose a room that is secured from the small children and other household pets. Place a food and water cup inside the cage. At least one food cup is needed and one water cup. These cups can be placed on the side of the cage for convenience and they should be refilled daily. Warnings: when they transported your bird in a travel cage, wary of the hanging objects such as swing toys, treats. They couldn't hit your bird. Be careful of scams on the internet. Best stay to sites like Amazon. Avoid toys as clips or toys that contain unnatural dyes or they may be choking hazard to your bird. Don't buy cuddle tents. Your bird can and get caught in the threads as they like to chew on them. If their foot get stuck in thread, they will self-compute and they could not choke. Avoid jungle bells. The slits of the sides are perfect trap for the birdie's claws. Like, share and subscribe Zoomania.